How easy is it for you to understand your doctor? The jargon of civil servants? Legal procedures? Do you feel sometimes they speak another language? Well, you may ask them and they will try to say it all again in a simpler way. But what if they're taught to a migrant? How can they explain all that complicated stuff to somebody who doesn't speak the same language? Can you think of the effects of bad understanding? The delays caused to those waiting in line? That's where intercultural interpreters and mediators help. They speak both languages. They understand both cultures. They bridge the differences. Communication becomes faster. Services are more efficient. All are satisfied. No irritation. No confusion. It's time to train more intercultural mediators. We need their help. Time. Train intercultural mediators for a multicultural Europe. www.mediation-time.eu